So how do you take a notebook cover like this? If you have a look, this is back in here. This is a notebook that I've created, and I've got a cover with it. So when you get in here, just say you want to put a label on the front of this notebook. How do you do that with a color cover like this? Well, because it's dark, we're going to go light. So we're going to pick white, and we're going to pick thick, and we're going to go back to here. And even on the website for Remarkable, they teach you, you can colour in a whole page if you want to make a black view, or you can just come over to my Etsy shop and get some dark mode because dark mode looks amazing on the Remarkable. So that looks pretty insignificant. Does it look like a cool little swatch? You can make it look as neat and tidy or not as you want. We then highlight it, and we're just going to make it bigger. And look, if I wanted to change the shape, which I don't really love that shape, so I'm just going to get rid of it. I'm just going to do it again. I'm going to, what I want is I want it long and thin. I don't want it deep, and that looks so much better. There we go. I don't like that. Yeah, that's it. Now, when I highlight it, look at that. That's so much better. Put it where you want, make it the shape you want. You can't rotate round, so just remember that. Whatever position, however skewed it is, that's how it's staying. Otherwise you wipe it out and do it again. That's really cool. Now I'm going to go back to black, and I'm going to go to medium, and then I can write my heading in here, which is going to be, I'm going to do it up and down. Remarkable, and it's too far over, and now it's all one piece. So I'm going to undo, 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 and I'm going to start a little bit more to the left. I think it was probably better writing the first time, but that's okay. And then that's how you can create a label on any notebook cover that you've got, or any cover of any sort. Hey, like and subscribe. It's all good. Leave me a comment below, ask me questions, pop over to the Facebook group. I'd love to help.